maybe even inspire you to pick up a screwdriver and start your own project. Direct hit if you've ever found yourself thinking, how do people even do that? Or love the magic